Good evening, it's Quant Trade Edge, and I just wanted to make a quick video giving you another good example of the 2B buy pattern. This here is the 2B buy pattern where you have a low and then a reaction off that low, only to be taken out by a breakdown bar and spend one or two closes below that bar, and then start to come back into range, and then you take out the high of the breakout bar, and that's what triggers the 2B buy pattern. And basically, on this breakdown below the previous low, you have a lot of people initiating new shorts, and if you don't get follow through right away, those shorts become the dry powder that need to cover, that can help force this rally. And your target typically on this is the high of the level that started the initial that gave you the initial low. So that would be up here. Where we see this, check out the other video that I posted where you saw I showed this exact pattern in Netflix last week. But right now it's happening in crude oil, the October contract of crude oil. Here is the low off of this high, and there's a little bit of a bounce, and then this is your breakdown bar that took out that low and did put in one close below. This low was 78.60. This close was 78.56. The next day we got back into range. It did make a lower low barely by 3 cents, and then we got back into range. And on Friday we did take out the high of the breakdown bar, and the cherry on top here was also on this lower low we had a higher low in momentum, so we also had a divergence forming as this happened here. So this being the high 84.16 that preceded the pattern, that's where we would expect price to go now, this 84.16. It doesn't have to necessarily be in a straight line, but I would expect it to happen within two legs. So right now, from our Gann count, we're all still in an uptrend. If we take out this low tomorrow, that will be a downtrend, in which case I would expect the rest of it to be in one trend. Or we could even go higher first, but I would believe no more than two legs should get us to that 84.16 level. Hope that helps to see these patterns in real time. We'll do another summary video later, and we'll see how this played out.